Hi there, I'm Lisa. I'm here with my daughter Emily. She's a little camera shy, so she's sitting off to the side. What I'm going to do today is do an unboxing that I had gotten from Jumpy JellyBean Bath Bombs. I saw them on a video with Dustin Daily and Nick Snider from the Viewer's Voice. If you don't follow them, give them a follow. They're a hit.
Ooh, it smells good.
And they are lit. No pun intended. So inside the box, I get this nice little message. Thank you for, it smells really, really good. Thank you for checking out my business. I hope you enjoy all your goodies. Let me know what you think of everything. Justice. All right. Oh, got a nice little card. Here's the card, so you can get the contact information. You can follow her on Facebook, email, and she's also on Twitter at Jumpy JellyBeans. So let's look here. There's some paper. Package really, really, really nice. What we got here? Can you smell it?
Oh, it smells good.
It does smell good. We have... How cute!
Oh. What is it? Is it a mushroom?
Is it an ice cream cone? No, it's Freddy Krueger.
Oh.
It's Freddy
How
Krueger.
did you not remember what you ordered?
No, this was a mystery box.
Oh, it was?
It smells kind of like, kind of nutty, kind of chocolatey.
Oh, smells
What do you
good.
think?
It smells good. It's definitely kind of chocolatey.
Yeah, it's definitely got a chocolate,
Whoa. Smell this one. This one.
chocolate nutty kind of. What is that one?
It's a minty fresh one.
Oh, minty fresh bath bomb. Oh, this smells amazing. Oh, this one's mine.
It's my color.
It's mine.
It's my color.
Yeah, it smells really good. Really, really good.
No, this
Really
one's
nice.
yours. This one's pink, I think. Oh, it's purple.
Oh, next.
They're little gummy bears. Little gummy bears.
How cute.
This one's grape soda.
This one's cotton candy. Oh! Smell that one.
It smells just like the Tree Hut scrub.
Oh, these are
Tree Hut
smell
scrub. They smell
amazing.
just like cotton candy.
How cute is that? Thank you. I love this. And Dustin said I won't be disappointed. I don't know. I think he was right. What about here? Oh, how cute is that?
It is a unicorn.
Yeah, we know who's getting that one. I love
You.
unicorns.
Oh, it smells really clean. I like it.
What is this one? No description on there. Oh, yeah. Really nice,
That one's
fresh,
big.
a little fruity, maybe?
This is really cute.
Don't judge me on this video. I'm not a professional YouTuber. And don't judge my looks either. It's been a long day. And next up we have...
Ooh. It's a peach sticky bath bomb. Thick.
Yeah.
She's thick.
This...
Does it smell like peach? You're probably smelling this one. So this is a
Yeah,
little
this is a
soap.
little peach. The peach one. I remember seeing this on our website. But I can't remember exactly what it was. It smells good though.
This one's a bar of soap and it's called Baby Girl. It smells really good because there's like a little
Oh,
plastic
the
with
soap.
it. Smell it right there.
Oh, that's nice and clean smelling.
I know, I like that one.
And what's it called?
Baby Girl.
Baby Girl. That smells really good.
The biggest.
And it's just a little soap. Little soap. Soap.
Oh, this is the cutest one that for me.
For you?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's
wow.
like a moon.
This is the most amazing mystery box I think I've gotten. And it beats like Jeffree Star. This is nice. Head in the clouds. And it's a cute little cloud. Nice clean scent.
This one's a
I cannot
moon.
wait to use these.
It's a moon, and
It's the same scent.
and it says "Good night, moon."
Oh, that smells good too.
I know it does.
All these, the scents are very subtle. Obviously, we haven't used them in the tub yet, so we'll give some more feedback once we do that. But they're very subtle. They're not very overpowering, and they're all very clean. Has coconut oil, herbs, essential oils. So yeah, it'll be really nice. So we'll give a more feedback once we use them.
Last one.
Ooh, and the last item in the package, or items, I should say.
Wait. This one looks real.
Oh, here's a little conversation hearts and XOXO. Oh, smell this one. What does that one smell like?
Pineapple.
Yeah, kind of maybe pineapple, apricot, peach. I don't know.
This one's pineapple.
It's so hard to tell with all the other scents around.
This one looks like ice cream, like sherbet or something. And it's white pineapple and it smells just like pina colada.
Yet one white pineapple.
That one might be my favorite. It looks like something kind of
Really
thing
cute.
that you could eat or something.
It does.
Doesn't smell like pina colada.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we might have to save this one for Christmas. For my oldest daughter. But anyway, like I said, it's from Jumpy JellyBean. You'll have to just, like, turn it around and get her information. You can find her on Twitter, Facebook, and on the website at jumpyjellybeanbathbombs.com. Give them a try. Really reasonable. This mystery box, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 items in the mystery box. So yeah, this is going to be really good. And thank you, girl. I appreciate it. And thanks to Dustin and Nick. I appreciate that. You got me hooked now. Bye.